Hi, my name is Sania, I'm 13, and I live in Silicon Valley. Growing up in an area with so much diversity and so much to offer, I grew up with many passions and things to explore. I wrote, I cooked, I painted, and I also did some woodcrafts. I was also really interested in coding. But at times, I never knew what I was really passionate about, and that's when I discovered Moonshot Junior. In only 8 weeks, I figured out that what I truly loved and what I was so passionate about was coding and Raspberry Pi. And I created the Sania Box to show other kids my passion and to help them unlock their own. Thank you, Moonshot Junior, for helping me find my passion.